Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download videos on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Now click on the arrow option in the right hand side of the video that you want to download. Here tap on Save Video option. And that is how you can download videos on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.